for giving this opportunity. It's pleasure to introduce myself. My name is Venkat, pursuing BTech second year in Department of CSE Artificial Intelligence in Adi Shankara College of Engineering and Technology. Now, I would like to say a few words about my topic. My topic name is Denormalization in Database. Now we will discuss about denormalization. Denormalization is a technique used by a database administrators to optimize the efficiency of their database infrastructure. These methods allow to us to add redundant data into a normalized database to eliminate issues with database queries that merge data from several tables into a single table. The denormalization concept is based on the definition of normalization, that is defined as arranging a database into tables correctly for a particular purpose. Now we will take an example for this denormalization. For example, we have two tables, students and branch. After performing normalization, the student table has the attribute roll number, student, age, name and branch ID. Now you will see the table on this side. In this SQL table, select from student table, roll number, student name, age and branch ID. In this data, additionally, the branch table is related table in student table with branch ID as the student table's foreign key. Now the table will be added a branch name also. A join operation between two tables is needed when we need to retrieve all student names as well as the branch name. Suppose we want to change the student name only, then it is great if the table is small. The issue here that if the table are big, joins on tables can take on excessively long time. In this case, we will update the database with denormalization, redundancy, the extra effort to the maximize the efficiency benefits of fewer joins. Therefore, we can join the add up to the branch names data from the branch table to the student table and optimizing the database. Now we will discuss about the pros and cons of denormalizations. Now, pros of denormalization. The following are the advantages of denormalization. Number 1. Enhanced query performance. Fetching queries in a normalized database generally requires joining a large number of tables. But we already know that the more joins, the slower the query. To overcome this, now we can add redundancy to a database by copying values between the parent and child tables, minimizing the number of joins needed for a query. Number 2. Make database more convenient to manage. A normalized database is not required calculated values for applications. Calculating these values on the fly will take a longer time, slowing down the execution of the query. In denormalization, fetching queries can be simpler because we need to look at fewer tables. Number 3. Facilitate and accelerate reporting. Suppose you need to certain statistics very frequently. It requires a long time to create them from live data and slow down the entire system. Suppose you want to monitor client revenues over a certain year for any or all the clients. Generating such reports from live data will require searching throughout the entire database, significantly slowly it down. So these are the pros of the denormalization. And now we will discuss about the cons of denormalization. The following are the disadvantages of denormalization. Number 1. It takes large storage due to the data redundancy. And number 2. It makes it expensive to update and insert data in a table. And number 3. It makes update and insert code harder to write. And number 4. Since data can be modified in several ways, it makes data inconsistent. Hence, we will need to update every piece of duplicate data. It's also used to measure values and produce reports. We can do this by using triggers and transactions and our producers for all operations that must be performed together. In this video, we have discussed about what is denormalization, with example of denormalization and some pros of denormalization, and last, cons of denormalization. Finally, in this video, these 4 types we will discuss it. Once again, thanks for giving this opportunity and thank you.